finally came in the mail. I've been wanting these for a long time. And Inktober was the perfect excuse to get them. They double bubble. Alright. So I got these Dr. P.H. Martin India inks. And I've been wanting these forever. And I just didn't have the right excuse to get them. I did get something else from my local art store. I got a pen handle and some nibs. This says Leonardt. Now, I got this one specifically for this nib. Because, like, I don't know if this is some special nib or something. But look how cool that is. I mean, the other ones are pretty standard, I think. But still cool. Some watercolor paper here. This is that Canson that I always use. I'll put everything down, a link down in the description. But just so you know what everything is. But let's go through the colors. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm supposed to shake these. It looks like there's a little bit of pigment stuck at the bottom there, maybe. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm just gonna shake. But this is the yellow. It's just yellow. They don't have fun names. Do you guys like it when you, like, dip your dirty brush in the water, like fresh water, and it, like, I don't know, like clouds out? I don't know why I find that so satisfying. Next we're gonna do green grass. And this one is just green. Just regular green. Oh, I didn't shake that last one up, did I? It doesn't look too settled. We're good. I did just go get these from the mailbox, so. Like a blue-green kind of. I mean, it probably won't look very blue-green when I put the next one. But the next one is teal. Next we're gonna do is blue. Like I said, these are not like the most creative names. That's a nice deep. Did I even name this one? Violet. Oh. Violet's a color, but I don't know. Like, with all the other ones, you could have just said purple. These are like laid out kind of funny. I don't know if you can see that I'm pulling them out kind of in the order that I'm going to put them back in there, because I don't like how they're laid out in there. Alright, then we've got red. Start putting these back in here the way that I want them to be. I better make sure they're all closed. Sorry, just let me get my life situated real quick. Okay, so the next is light red, which you would think would be like pink, but is like orange. I don't know why they didn't just name this orange, or if they have more orangey orange. Next one is just brown. So I'll take one of my Microns to do the white. So this is just a Micron 05. Yeah. Yeah. We'll put the white over it. See how opaque it is. But we might let that dry for just a minute. But you guys can see how black that is compared to the Pigma Micron. We're just gonna go in with it with this white. I've waited long enough. Your girl don't have time for this. But I hope this is really pigmented. Ooh. Ooh, it's real, like, it's kind of thick. Thicker than, I don't know if you guys can see it on the little thing. Maybe it just needs to be shaken up more. Or maybe that's just how it is. I don't know. Now, I am not good at calligraphy, so don't make fun of me, please. Or do. You know, if that's your prerogative. Ooh. I don't know how to spell magenta. Ooh. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh, I ran out of ink. But you can see, I mean, I'm sure if you have used, I don't know what you call these, dip pens before, you'll know how they work. But I don't know how to clean these, so I'm just gonna dip it in water and hope for the best. This is so satisfying. Oh, I already spelled it wrong. Let's just try that again. Oops. And this one is 40. And let's see, you can kind of see that it boop, boop, boop. Ooh. Did I spell that wrong? Yeah, I did. What is my problem? I don't want to dip you again. There we go. Ooh. This one is so thin, like. Okay, this is with like no pressure. Excuse the wobbles. And this is with like a little bit more pressure. But I wonder what that's like a fine liner. I have I don't have the thinnest Micron, but I have a an 01, so I can see. That looks pretty similar. I guess we could see how waterproof these are. They've been, I think they're pretty much fully dry. So, I mean, oh man, I just gotta show you guys, like, excuse all the mess in the background, but like, look at that. Isn't that just the coolest freaking thing? Damn. Sorry, I just had to get into that real quick. I read that you can dilute these with water. I'm gonna try to get some. The ink's pretty separated from the water, so let's just try with the yellow first. Ooh, pretty bulletproof. I mean, we can test if any came off. No? But I think you can mix the, ooh. I think you can mix these with water too to get like lighter washes. So I'll probably like kind of be using them like watercolors, because like that's what your girl do. I'm not sure if this red is, I don't know, it's kind of got a sheen to it. I guess I could have showed you before, but we'll see. Oh, look at that. Like, it hasn't been that long. Like, sometimes with other, like, I have like a brush pen. I think it's like a, I don't know, I'll have to look, but it's like, you kind of have to wait a long time for it to kind of set before you can use it. Just because, like, I don't know if the ink just takes a minute to, like, fully dry or what, but that's pretty good. Like, none of them have, like, budged at all, so yay! I put a drop of water in each of these just so the ink wouldn't, you know. So I should probably write these colors in beforehand. I'm just gonna use, okay, I'm just gonna use one of my Microns to write that on. I'm just gonna put a drop in each of these wells. I don't think I'm gonna do the black and white. I don't wanna, but I don't know, there's just something so like satisfying about that. But let's see if we can get some ingredients. These are really fucking great. I am like so excited to use these for Inktober. I've already, like, obviously if you follow me on Instagram you can see that I did already start sketching and stuff. So I guess we can look at this packaging. We probably should have done that, huh? Alright, so this is set 1. Bombay's many uses: watercolor, calligraphy pens, airbrush pens, technical. illustration and designing. Bombay's features. Light, fast, archival. I think that's how you say that. Waterproof, fine art pigments, acid-free, and non-toxic. And we already looked at these nibs. I got them. I'm sure you could find them cheaper somewhere online, but I just got them at like my local art shop. And yeah, came with this. I thought it was kind of nice. But